In the stillness of a hospital room, the rhythmic beeping of a heartbeat monitor gradually slows. This intimate moment marks the delicate boundary between life and death, where silence begins to settle in. It is here, at the edge of existence, that we are confronted with profound questions about consciousness. What truly happens as awareness fades? The mystery of what lies beyond invites us to explore the very nature of being. As we shift our gaze from the familiar to the infinite, cosmic imagery unfolds before us, revealing the boundless expanse of the universe. This vastness mirrors the enigmatic depths of the human mind, where countless thoughts and emotions swirl like distant stars. Just as the cosmos holds secrets waiting to be discovered, our minds harbor mysteries yet to be understood. The parallel between these two realms invites us to explore both the outer universe and our inner worlds with curiosity and wonder. Consider the thought-provoking question: if the brain stops, does consciousness end, or does something remain? This quote serves as a guiding framework for our exploration into the nature of consciousness and its connection to the physical brain. It invites us to reflect on whether our sense of self is entirely dependent on neural activity, or if there might be aspects that persist beyond biological function. Throughout this journey, we will examine scientific perspectives, philosophical debates, and personal accounts that seek to address this profound inquiry. Near-death experiences, often referred to as NDEs, have fascinated people for decades. These are profound personal events that occur when someone is close to death or has been clinically dead before being revived. Many individuals who have undergone NDEs report vivid sensations, such as moving through a tunnel, encountering bright lights, or feeling a sense of peace. Some accounts even include detailed observations of events happening around them while they were unconscious. These stories have led some to wonder if consciousness might persist beyond the moment of clinical death. Consciousness remains one of the most intriguing subjects in science, with researchers striving to understand how the brain produces our sense of awareness. Current theories suggest that complex networks of neurons interact to create subjective experiences, but the precise mechanisms are still largely unknown. Advances in neuroscience have identified certain regions, such as the prefrontal cortex, as crucial for conscious thought. Yet no single area or process fully explains the phenomenon. Despite significant progress, scientists acknowledge that many aspects of consciousness elude measurement and definition. The limits of current understanding highlight the need for further research, as the mystery of how physical processes give rise to conscious experience continues to challenge the scientific community. Throughout history, the concept of the soul has been interpreted in many different ways. Ancient philosophies and spiritual traditions often describe the soul as an immortal essence, central to human identity and existence. In contrast, scientific explanations focus on consciousness and self-awareness as emergent properties of the brain, without invoking a separate, non-physical entity. Across cultures, beliefs about the soul range from reincarnation in Hinduism and Buddhism to the idea of an eternal spirit in Christianity and Islam, and even to animistic views where souls inhabit all living things. These diverse perspectives reflect humanity's enduring quest to understand the nature of life and what it means to be truly alive. Philosophers have long grappled with questions about identity and the nature of the self. Some argue that our sense of self is rooted in physical continuity, while others suggest it emerges from psychological experiences and memories. The concept of an immaterial soul introduces another layer to these debates, proposing that consciousness and identity might exist independently of the body. Critics of this view point to the lack of empirical evidence for a soul, emphasizing material explanations for personal identity. Nonetheless, the possibility of an immaterial essence continues to inspire discussions about what it truly means to be oneself. Science has made remarkable progress in unraveling the mysteries of our universe, providing precise measurements and explanations for countless phenomena. Yet, there remains a vast expanse of questions that lie beyond the reach of current methods and technologies. This boundary between the known and the unknown serves as a reminder of the limitations inherent in human inquiry. Embracing humility in the pursuit of knowledge allows us to acknowledge these uncertainties and inspires ongoing curiosity. It is within this space of not knowing that new discoveries are born and the spirit of exploration thrives. As the story unfolds, the atmosphere gradually transforms. What began in cold blue and shadowy darkness now gives way to radiant gold and shimmering white light. This shift in visuals mirrors a profound emotional journey, moving from uncertainty and mystery toward revelation and transcendence. The changing colors evoke a sense of hope and awakening, inviting viewers to experience the powerful climax alongside the narrative. In this moment, the boundaries between the known and the unknown seem to dissolve, leaving a lasting impression of wonder. As the scene fades into darkness, a solitary point of light remains, inviting reflection. Is there truly a soul within us? Or are we merely minds searching for meaning in our own thoughts? The answer may lie beyond what we can perceive or understand. In this quiet moment, we are left to ponder the nature of our existence. What do you believe awaits in the depths of consciousness?